Good morning everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Melinda and I post about literally anything and everything that I'm currently passionate about. Aside from me having to wear glasses because my eyes are way too dried out, I did not sleep last night. Like, I probably got like an hour of sleep, and that was because I was like experiencing extreme discomfort. I forgot what this part is called, but here it was just feeling like really cramped up. And I don't know if I've mentioned this in the vlog before, but I started going on these contraceptive pills, and it is the combination contraceptive pills where they have 28 pills in a packet with I think 21 pills that are like packed with hormones that trick your body into thinking like that it's pregnant so it doesn't like produce eggs, yada 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 science. And I also have the other 7 pills, placebo pills, that are like just a reminder pill that basically don't really have anything. They're just empty pills that sort of keep you on the routine of taking a pill every day. So yeah, that's that. I just had such a rough night. Like my everything down here is basically super sore and I don't really know what to do. So I am supposed to see a doctor today and I'm hoping that it can make everything better because I really couldn't sleep last night, guys, and I actually cried. But we're gonna try to stay positive today. We are going to drink our water for the morning. I used to always drink my waters out of a jar because I, for some reason, like big jars like this, make sure that like I drink a lot of water. So yeah, that's that. I'm just gonna show you how ridiculous I look right now. I have one sock on, one sock not on. And yeah, basically every single time I bend or anything like that, there's something going on here that just makes that really uncomfortable for me. Oh my god, that hurts, that hurts, that hurts, that hurts. I hate my life right now. Like, I really don't like the situation because aside from the pain and discomfort, I am also experiencing breakthrough bleeding. And what that basically is that because your body is not having your period because it's being tricked into like thinking that it's experiencing a pregnancy, your blood lining sort of like accumulates and it gets to a point where your body just expels it. So yeah, it gets to a point where it just bursts, and it's supposed to last for 3 months, but I don't know, it's kind of annoying because it's only supposed to happen 2 days after I take my placebo pill. But at the same time, I also have to recognize that it is my first month of really like doing it and sticking to the pill taking routine. And yeah, but I'm just gonna try to forget about it, like try to like get through the rest of my day, fight the discomfort, and just smash out an economics essay, submit it, get some coffee, do some revision if I can. But hopefully 3 o'clock comes really fast. And saying that, it's so early, guys. It's like I woke up at like 5 something. Positivity starting now. I always do these angles, so I don't really know why, but the positive thing number 1, sunshine. Look at that sun out there. This is what I love about mornings, guys. It's just so bright and nice. Like, look at that. Even though there's like annoying construction and stuff, I probably should get going. See you soon. I have something really exciting to show you guys. First, I'm just gonna turn off my toilet light. I made a Malaysian dish. If you guys are Malaysian, you guys would know this dish. It's called beef rendang, and I've just been craving something like from Malaysia for the longest time, and it's been in the slow cooker for the longest time. Really excited. So yeah, just gonna let that sit for the day, and yeah, it's gonna be off. I'm just gonna leave it there. Okay, water. Hi everybody, so I didn't end up filming the rest of yesterday because I did go to that doctor's appointment that I told you guys about, and I got some news that was kind of shocking. Yeah, but I am very determined to make today as good as it possibly can. Today they're having some sort of mental health thing where they bring in doggos, and I really want to see that. Okay, we'll just see how like the day plays out today, and I will do that according to whatever works. And I'm getting my lashes done, I think. Should I get them done or should I just let them all fall out? I have no idea. We'll figure it out. Hello. Hello. Oh my god, he's sitting on me. Okay.
Do you want me to get a shot of him sitting on you?
Yeah, that'd be great. Oh, hi.
Hey, buddy.
Thank you.
No worries.
That was so nice of you. Okay, guys, so that was one of the nicest experiences I've had in a long time. I love those dogs. I absolutely love Hugo. That dog's name was Hugo, by the way. And if it's in an unflattering angle, I'm sorry, because I'm trying to vlog in public and I'm not really like okay with that yet. So yeah, if you're not feeling great, a good way to stay positive is to invest in positive experiences like that. So yeah. Oh my god, is this a Diwali celebration? It's like food stalls everywhere. This is gonna be so lit. Damn. Okay. Okay, Auckland. That's so cool. So I pretty much got one of the most unpleasant parts of my day done. So it can only go up from here. I'm gonna get my lashes done because that's gonna be a thing. And I'm gonna get some coffee before that. Oh yeah, that's that. And I'm gonna move on from here. Okay, so I already drank this halfway through, and now I'm gonna show you guys my meal. It's the mash, and let's forget about that. Hello everybody, so I did a little shopping, and by little I mean I bought a few things from Mega Cosmetica, our favorite place on earth. This is the Vitamin C serum by Drunk Elephant. It is pretty pricey, it's $127, and I bought it because this does wonders for my skin. As you guys can tell, my skin has been dying lately, and it was a little better after my facial, but it hasn't really been the way it was before, and I feel like the only reason why it was that way was because I got the Vitamin C serum. So what this does is basically it firms and brightens my skin, and it has 15% ascorbic acid, so it helps dissolve the surface as it intensely hydrates. So that's one great thing, and the result is a noticeably diminished appearance of UV photo damage and aging, replaced by incredible radiance and luminosity. So yeah, that is why it does wonders for anyone who uses it. Honestly, try it out. It works wonders for me, and I'm not a skincare type of person at all, but I just realized that it's kind of necessary, especially when I'm here in New Zealand, for me to invest in some sort of skincare, and this is the one thing. Hydro Bay, tall glass of warm water, but it's not for this kind of weather. This kind of weather typically like dries off my skin so fast because, as you guys all know, we have a huge ass ozone like hole in New Zealand. So like the #1 like type of cancer that they have here is melanoma, and that's skin cancer, because we literally have, like, compared to the rest of the world, we don't have that much of a barrier against direct sun rays. So that's why people always like put such an emphasis on wearing sunscreen and like not going out in the sun, because here I even notice that I get like more tan than I am in Malaysia, because it's so weird, right? Because Malaysia is always summer and it's like super hot all the time, but I don't get as tanned as I am like here. My dad thinks otherwise, but like I feel like I'm more tanned here. Next thing, I wanted to get a replacement for my rose gold vanish stick here by Hourglass, because as you guys can see, nothing comes out. When I went to Mecca, it ran out. Like, there's none of it there anymore, so I decided to go with something by Stila. Oh hell, in the name of like YouTube. I'm just gonna put on some here. Oh my god, it has such good pigment, guys. I don't know if you guys can see it. I am trying to get a more pink tint highlighter just to try to pull off this mermaid look for Halloween. Okay, so we are going to try to, instead of putting on my eyelashes today, I decided to ask them to take it all off because I want to give my eyelashes a rest. But like, it was kind of embarrassing because I went to the Mecca store and like I realized only there that all my eye gunk was still like on my eyelashes. The thing about eyelashes, guys, it's so hard to clean like if you have eye gunk on your eyelashes. This is the applicator for the Stila in the blue. Oh, I'm so nervous. Oh, can you see that? Okay, that looks so bad. Wait, I'm gonna try this again. Okay, I've wiped it off, but I'm gonna do one thing first, and that is to take my Advil. I have my jar of water sitting right there. Wow, that is a lot. Wow, that surprises me. Like, you would always think, like, at least I think, that something that relieves pain, like medication that relieves pain, would have a more serious look to it, like white, you know, like a white tablet. But no, it looks like this. Oh my god, stop focusing on my face. Okay, so my game plan here is to cover my eye with pink first and foremost. No. I'm gonna cover my eye with contour powder first. This is the Chicoton palette by Benefit, and I'm just gonna lightly dust it. Okay, y'all, quick disclaimer, I have no idea what I'm doing. All over my eye. In the Nude by Nude Stick, I'm gonna go on my finger. I sort of want to bring as much pigment as possible onto this eye, so I'm gonna keep going until I see that my eye is pink AF. Yeah, that looks pink enough. I'm not a makeup guru, okay guys? I go under my eye. Should I? Be right back. Okay guys, so this is pretty much all that I've gotten up to so far. I am pretty happy with this. This is my first time working with a liquid eye product, and I think we're doing pretty well. I'm happy with the eyes, guys, like the eyes specifically, because I've never really worked with this product before, so the way it turned out makes me really happy. This is Stella, and it is Into the Blue, and I absolutely love it. I have never, like you know me, I go for like no makeup looks, and I don't really like go for super colorful things. I've been like feeling myself for a while now. So my room is a mess, but we have a beautiful sunset today. Look at that. I know, I think it's super nice. You can also see how dirty my window is. Update though, I really like today despite how it started, and I don't know. You just gotta learn how to take a good thing out of a bad thing. If you can look at the bad things as good things, and the good things are already good anyway, you can just move on with life happily. So yeah. See you guys next time. Bye.